Here I have Huawei P30 and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose here the power off, touch power off again, let's wait a couple of seconds, then let's press together power key and volume up, hold down together those two keys, keep holding both keys. Keep holding both of them. Let's keep holding both keys, power key and volume up. Now you can release both keys. This is the EMUI recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's choose here wipe data factory reset, press power key to confirm it. Now we need to type in the yes word, tap here the wipe data factory reset again. Here we've got the information about the Google verification. If you are aware of this, let's choose wipe data factory reset one more time, and the device is performing the hard reset, so the phone is erasing all personal data, customize settings and installed apps. Let's wait until the operation will be completed. Alright, the recovery mode pops up again, so now all you need to do is choose reboot system now and wait until the operation will be completed. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it means the hard reset is done. Now you may start easily to activate and use your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.